Hi guys, Richie. How you doing? So there's a car show tonight, Sunday night at Chapters, and I want to go check it out. So to get there, we're gonna go up Kingsway, which is kind of like not a very bike-friendly road, but we'll alternate between road and sidewalk. Got everything under control here. Mirrors always helpful. Not too much traffic. Running at a decent pace. That's nice. I kind of like that run there just now. And it's really nice. A little chill. We got a nice chill temperature going on right now, about 70. And I'm going to migrate to the sidewalk here. Beautiful night. Great night for a car show. So, we'll check it out. All right, so I'm gonna go up to Lloyd here, Lloyd Street. I got 16 seconds left. All right, good. And then the steep climb up here coming up. I'll get on the proper side. Right on. Oh, it's fun. It's a good ride. Yeehaw. All right, let's go. So we got a pretty good climb here. So I'm going to lay into this a bit, get a bit of a pump, leave it in speed 6, try to keep the pace. No problem. Got fresh legs, that's why. All right. Oh, I was gonna say my brakes aren't squeaking anymore. I guess I finally got the right amount of gunk and wear. Sweet spot. Okay. Now we got this miserable sidewalk. I'll just not much traffic, so we'll take our chances here. All right, let's do this. There's not much traffic. There's nobody behind me, so I would do it on a night like tonight, but not on a weekday. So, thing I gotta watch out for is the grates. The storm sewer grates are could snag you. Still nobody behind me. I'm gonna migrate off though. Gonna slow down a bit. We don't have to go much farther, so that was a pretty good run. I was gonna go in the parking lot. Yeah, heads up driving, eh? Very important. So I think on the other side of this stoplight is where the bike lanes begin. Or no. So this is a mess here. Yeah. Okay, should we do another run here? Oh, go for fuck's sakes. Nobody beside me, that's good. Or nobody behind. There's a fucking dangerous one. Hit that, you'll get a flat, wipe out. Knock your teeth out. Okay, so this is where the biking stuff starts, and it's kind of where we're going. Okay, so yeah, the rest is bike lane friendly, but we're coming right here. Oy, oy, oy. Woohoo! Okay. Oh yeah, so slow down. Good pump in zone 2. Yeah, that was a good run. All right, let's check this out here. So, that's not an e-bike. This is an e-bike. All right, we got a Corvette here. That should be better. Nice SS Camaro here. That's nice. More power fans. That's pretty cool, eh? Nice motors. Shelby. Wow. What do we got here? Oh, I guess this is a Mustang. Yeah. GT500. That must be a supercharger, I guess. Yeah, it's got a belt on it. Huh. Karaoke. Look at that. That looks really good. Powered by SRT. Is this a Demon? Like a Charger. Chargers. Wow. Huh. That's pretty badass. 27 Hemi. Oh, it's got a, that pops out of the hood. That's really cool. Yeah. Some M-Power. There are some foreign cars here. Not very many. Here's a Porsche. Silver Spur Rolls Royce. Nice. Monza GT. Yeah. It's got a big V8 in it. Mach 1 girl. Nice. All right, there's one of those shakers. R5, S5, yeah, that's nice. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Subi. Oh, it's a left-hand. It's a Japanese. Oh, wow. Well, that's an import. That's wild. That was left-hand drive or right-hand drive. Opposite drive. I thought the kid was driving it. That was pretty neat. I'm into those. Japan import Subarus. Pretty wild. There we go. Little Miata. I love these little Miatas. They're fun to drive. Oh, there's a 1976 Monte Carlo with the classic fenders. Those are the ones that got a swivel seat. Sweet car back in the day. All right, let's see what's on this side here. We already seen these.
Yeah, me and Ebike that whenever, you know,
I was in the same shape as those guys.
'46 Super Deluxe, 2-door coupe. I'm not sure what this is. It's his. It's mine. It's got pronouns. Oh, we got a Dodge here. Sounds fucking wild. It's pushed up. You can see the. Look at that. It's an old Charger. Wow. And look what we got here.
I'm like, Red sent me a video. I'm like, oh my god, we got CA for our car. That happened every day.
That was a big blower.
Which I went home and McDonald's. That was the car was in my pants. So today they're driving all. They're driving.
Okay, guys. So that's pretty much the gist of it. That's very nice. Oldsmobile. Cars I grew up around. '74 Olds, yeah. Cutlass Supreme. What's that, Jaguar?
Anyway, you got a.
It's called a smart. You're supposed to know.
Straight six. Classic. What is that? That's geez, like a Rambler, I think. I'm not sure. Cool. Little Cadillac, new Cadillac. So we got an Avanti here. These are cool. A Charger. Just for you. I guess a Thunderbird. Not sure what year, but it's bloody cool. Damn, is it ever nice. Right on. All right, so it's gonna pretty much do it for that. So, I'll just leave it at that. I'll say goodbye from here. So I hope you enjoyed the car show and the ride. Okay, so I'm back on Kingsway. I'm trying to decide which way to go back. I don't know. I'm not going to go back. This is shorter Kingsway. What I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here and take this new bike infrastructure and then come back through the Rotary Trail. So I'll just keep the video going now. I figure the scenery is pretty nice, so I'll just keep it going. So now I gotta turn left. So let's follow the go through here. Here. And I missed a gear. In my fancy Corvette. Okay. And now we're gonna go this way. So this is kind of new here. We're not finished. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna continue on and make this a bike lane, maybe. I don't know. There's more shopping up around the corner there. Everybody in their muscle car is out tonight. Okay. Oh, we're going into the wind again. Kind of bumpy here. But I got my nice cushioned seat post, smoothing everything out. Right, so the bike lane ends. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn left at those lights up here, and then head towards the trail. There really isn't a way to get to New Sudbury, like that whole shopping center, with bike without having to ride the sidewalks or forced on the road. It's just it's not a complete, it hasn't been completed yet. So I'll go this way. So this will be some nice riding here. So I gotta go down one of these streets here. Not sure here. I think this, I'm not sure where the street, if it ends up in the, where I want to go. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, here's Atlee. Okay. Right. So now I'm looking for Hawthorne, which is up here. It should be just up ahead. Well, that's cool. That's a good shortcut. I'm going to take this from now on. Yeah. All right, that's pretty cool. Go ahead. Okay. Cool. So you're probably familiar with this route. I've taken this a few times. But we'll take it again because it looks good. Lighting is really cool. And then here, behind the film studio lab here, this is the yeah, this is the studio where they film or they get all their staging and stuff. I'm not sure if there's a sound stage in there, but I know there's all the trucks parked there. Could be. There's a lot of movies that are filmed around here, TV shows and so on. So there's a lot of that going on. Series like Letterkenny and those offshoots, offsprings. There's a hockey show that's up here. I can't remember the name. It's like, I forget the name. I don't see it. I don't have cable. But it's popular though. Maybe you guys know. Shot ski or something. It's very Northern Ontario-ish. That's my people here, Letterkenny. All right. Well, sort of. So I'm going to take my time through here because it's pretty thick. And there's bound to be a family around the corner here. Wow, that's nice, eh? Spectacular. Detour ahead. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Oh, it's the detours at the head of the trail. Okay. Yeah, because they're doing some water work there. Replacing the sidewalks also. Wow, does it ever look good? Yeah. It's just teeming with life. It seems to be dead water. Not that long ago either. It's all been reclaimed. this looks cool. Oh. Uh-oh. Thank you. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, poplar trees. All right. Okay. Oh, come on, get in the gear. It's like I'm in between half gears here. Gotta find a sweet spot. Okay, so let's see if it's passable here. Water main replacement, asphalt rehabilitation. I like that. Of course, there'll be a way to get through. I hope they open up this road. Make a pass through here, because before there wasn't. You had to hop the curb. Still gotta hop the curb. I'll go this way. Yeah, there's no doubt this is gonna open that up. No question. Okay. So here we are. The landmark there, Kathleen Street. I'm not sure the name of the church. But we'll go straight. Oh, maybe not. We'll go up Kathleen. See, this is new and I don't see any bike lane markings here, so I don't know. Maybe they just gotta paint them. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so we're gonna do a sprint home. Just give her a shit. Go, 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 go. There's another bad pothole. No one coming? God, these people can't drive. Jesus. Okay. Enough of that. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a Sunday night in Sudbury. Beautiful summertime day. Hey. Okay, I gotta go.